Okay, today we're going to talk about indigo colourant. Okay, so I have this box here, indigo powder, indigo ferra tinctoria, very expensive colourant, natural colourant, but it's actually worth it. So you don't use too much of this. Okay, right here I have 100 grams. I put it like that. But before you use it, you have to infuse it in warm water first. So I use this glass here, a mason glass jar, old one. Okay, put distilled water in. Then I'm gonna put probably 3 teaspoons into 100 grams of distilled water. Okay, they say warm, but any water will do. Okay, I'll probably warm the water first, then I'll come back and try to distill it. Okay, get the distilled water ready. Okay, 100 grams, 102. Doesn't matter, a few gram difference. We need a teaspoon. Gotta get a teaspoon. There you go, teaspoon. Okay, we need 3 teaspoons. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, close it. 1 teaspoon is roughly, how much did it say there? Probably like 5 ml. 1 teaspoon is probably 1 ml each. Very light, this stuff is very light. So let me stir it. Definitely you have to dehydrate this straight away. This process here, we want to dehydrate it. So look at this, it stick onto the, definitely have to dehydrate it. Otherwise, you can't put this straight away to your soap batter. Otherwise, it will get clumpy. So the manufacturer, the supplier, suggests that you leave this for 24 hours, warm water. How do I do that? Why microwave this? Definitely need warm water. It's not absorbing. Unbelievable. That's why you have to try it out here first before it's actually go into the batter. Now, if I was rushing and I use this straight away without testing, then I'll be in trouble. Okay, so definitely, look, it's not absorbing into water. Yeah, so it could be tricky material to use. See that? Yeah, so they suggest you wear masks as well, but it's not like it's just a precaution. Clean up, close the lid properly. Yep. Yeah. So I'll probably keep stirring like this until it's like really dehydrated again. But so far, I reckon this material is very difficult to use. I'm gonna microwave that, so warm up the water. It's part of the experiment anyway, so no problem at all. Let's see what happens if I use warm water. Okay, let's see any changes to the texture. Yeah, changing a little bit, hopefully. 3 teaspoons in 100 grams of water. Yeah, keep stirring. Yeah, warmish water. Definitely need to dehydrate this overnight at least. Can't use straight away. And the way the manufacturer suggests you use this is you infuse this water here. Infuse it just before you use a cheesecloth. Infuse this into hot caustic water solution. Okay, so once you mix the caustic, the lye to water, it's heat up ready. Then you mix this in to get a very strong blue color. That's what they suggest. Okay, but I haven't tried it. Okay, I'm just testing it out first. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Let me get closer. Yeah, so this is the texture that you can get. Okay, very definitely have to dehydrate this. Okay, I think when you put in the powder indigo powder, you have to slowly stir it. I didn't stir it, so I just put it in straight away. I think that's what happened. Learn from my experience. Warm the water first, put in slowly, 1 teaspoon at a time, and stir it. Otherwise you get this clumpy texture here. It's slowly dissolving, but it takes time. See, clumpy like that, but it's infusing. Slowly, slowly. Part of the learning experience, right? So that's how you infuse it first. Okay, don't do like this. Okay, warm the water first. Okay, use the microwave, 30 seconds will do. Then 1 teaspoon at a time. Then you keep stirring it so the water can dehydrate it. Don't use the same water I did here. Clumpy like that, right? No good. Okay, so 100 grams of water to 3 teaspoons of indigo powder. If you clumsy, wear a mask, okay? Because this stuff is very fine, so it can get into your lungs. Be careful, okay? My name is Chow. Hope you like this video. It's not very, hopefully it's interesting enough for you. Leave a comment below if you have done indigo powder. How will you use it? Leave me a comment below, okay? I'm still learning myself, so when you're a soap maker, there's always opportunity, time to learn, okay? I'll see you next time with another video.